So here's our nature reserve trail here in town. It goes for about a mile. Nah, it goes for a couple miles. Pretty neat. If you notice, the ground's all sand. We're about a mile and a half from the actual beach, the actual shore. Here is the bat box. Take it, this is where bats sleep during the day. See if we can see any. Actually, there is. Now you can see the silhouette of them in there. They're pretty small. Here are some of the local animals. Have the monarch butterfly, which migrates a couple thousand miles every year. Goes from Canada all the way down towards Central America. Just found that out recently. The eastern box turtle, Carolina anole, the red shoulder hawk, possum, my favorite, the red fox, cricket frog, and a broken striped newt. You know, I don't know if there's any wild hogs back here. Plan on going to hunt some this year. But yeah, this is the nature reserve. It's pretty cool. Nice little pathway to walk, real peaceful. And that's pretty much it. Thanks. Have a good day.